Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my mini Happy Planner, which is the Homebody dashboard layout. I'm going to be using the new monthly colorful boxes, as well as some stickers from the new horizontal layout sticker book. So I am pre-filming a little bit ahead of time. So today I've actually got 2 spreads that I need to fill out. So yeah, I'm just trying to get things done really early because I got a lot of things going on coming up. So you'll see that my spreads have not been filled out for the next couple weeks in my planner. But I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers. So here's what I've got. All of these are out of that monthly, or not monthly, the horizontal layout sticker book. And then the colorful boxes came out of this sticker book. So this is probably going to be a kind of quick video, but I am going to go ahead and white out this focus because I do want to put a flower down here. And I think I'm going to have to white out some of these boxes too. So let's just see what we've got here. So yeah, I'm going to white out these 3 boxes, but I'm not going to worry about the lines, I don't think. Maybe no, I'm not going to worry about the lines because I've got the grid behind there too. So that's cute. And then I'm just going to put my quote down beside it. And my quote says, "Start each day with a grateful heart." So I'm going to try to get this as straight as possible. All right, so that's cute. And then I'm going to white out my headers so that I can put colorful boxes over them. And this is outside of my norm here using green. Green is just not a color that I go to. I like pinks and purples and blues, but I thought these greens matched these flowers pretty well. Hopefully that's straight there. All right. So I use these sections. This is to buy, to do, and important. And I'm going to relabel them in a minute. Okay. All right, that looks fairly straight. Now let me grab a pen so that I can go ahead and relabel. Okay, so this is to buy. This is to do. And this is remember. Okay. Now let's move to the other side. So I'm going to put this little flower arrangement up here and cover up 2020. So I'm just going to go ahead and white that out and see how it's going to fit before I decide whether or not to white out some of these black lines. Now I'm going to have to cut off some of this clear sticker because this sticker, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's clear around the edges, but I don't want the clear up there. I want to go all the way up to the color. Okay, so see, I have some clear that needs to be cut off there. And I think I'm going to white out these lines. So I'm just going to pull this up just a little bit and get these black lines from behind there. So I need to white out 3 of them. Okay, and then I'm not going to really worry about this black line, just those dark ones I had to get rid of. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut the edges off here. Okay, and then then I'm just going to come in with some matching green boxes, and I'll put one on Tuesday, and then I will also put one on Friday. And then I thought it would be cute just to come down here at the bottom with this little flower. So yeah, I think that turned out really cute. And that was a very easy spread to decorate. So let's put it back in my planner. So of course this video is not very long, but it doesn't take long at all to decorate a spread when you do it as simply as this. So I'd say altogether this video is about 6 minutes long, and it took me maybe 5 minutes to choose these flowers. So 11 minutes to decorate the spread, which is not bad. So this is it. I think it looks very pretty. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so that you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.